How to use Shop app to track an order. First things first is go ahead into your Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your end, and then just simply hit on search and search for Shop. So this is the application that we're looking at. If you already downloaded this application and looking for this kind of tutorial, just make sure that the application that you're in is into the latest version possible. Now, open the application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So basically, to track an order is just actually this third option here, which kind of looks like a cutted receipt or somehow a bookmark. Once you tap on that, you will automatically be redirected into your current orders and their specific status. Now, you will be receiving a lot of options in here if you have multiple orders that is currently ongoing or on the process of shipping out or maybe in transit or any kinds of status in. For you to track it, just simply open the specific order where you would like to track, and then you will be given out a specific tracking number if possible, depending on the order, and you can manually track it. And that's it. It's how you can track orders using the Shop app.